Part of the responsibilities that you have to carry out as a firm owner is to make sure that you will be able to offer to your workers the kind of working environment that is conducive to the kind of job responsibilities that they have to carry out. Distraction are only going to cause them to lose traction, especially where production is involved. So steps like industrial noise control are going to matter. These kinds of noises are always identified to be such distraction to workers, especially when they need to concentrate to get their jobs done. So making sure that you will be able to do something about this is important. The earlier you start to find such a solution, the better. You will find that regardless of how serious the issue seems to be, there is always going to be a solution. In fact, you may actually be looking at solutions. So expect that the options available for you is going to be more than one. Take advantage of this and take the time to consider what these solutions have to extend to you so you can choose right afterward. Never start looking for solutions until you have successfully identified the problem. When you choose to opt for those steps that are supposed to address the issue or minimize them, to say the least, you want to be able to feel and see the actual effects of these solutions that you are trying to opt for. So make sure that you get to know what these issues are and how you can possibly resolve them. Consider what are the sources of these noises as well. There may be specific places or areas in your work environment that have caused these noises. They may be caused by certain devices and machines that are operational in the setting. They can also be caused by various tasks that are carried out by your employees that were affected by it. Know how these issues are affecting the employees who have been hearing them. You might want to take a good look at the many things that are being affected due to the presence of these sounds. For instance, there may be a high possibility that production value has decreased. Employee satisfaction may take a hit too. You may need to invest on the installation of fixtures that can be used to absorb the sounds that are produced by whatever source it is that is causing the problem. This is one investment that should be worth whatever amount it is that you have to spend. After all, it is going to create such a positive impact on the way your workers are exposed to the production environment. Make sure that you will consult with the right firms that specialize in these kinds of fields. You need to find people who will get a better understanding of the structure of the facilities where you get your operation carried out. Then they will be able to successfully initiate the right industrial noise control that is very much needed for the kind of work environment you are trying to establish.